Meet Hubspot Service Hub, your support superhero ready to transform your customer experience. Let's jump into the highlights. Feature 1. Conversational bots. These 24/7 chatbots are here to create tickets, qualify leads, and more, all with that cool HubSpot flair. Feature 2. Snippets. Turn text into quick responses. The free Service Hub lets you create 5 snippets for swift email and chat responses. Feature 3. Simple automation. HubSpot does the heavy lifting. From automated customer emails to internal notifications, no manual triggers needed. Feature 4. Conversation routing. HubSpot plays matchmaker, ensuring chats and emails find the right team member every time. It's like having a built-in GPS for your support system. Ready to elevate your support game? Migrate your data to HubSpot Service Hub today and reveal the potential of your custom support.